with 2 kids and a dog. And this. Your stupid paintings and your fucking brushes all over the place. Oh, where are you going, Brad? Are you off to see your girlfriend, Christian, again?
Hello?
Christian, it's Bradley.
Hi! Hey, what's wrong?
I broke up with Lisa.
Oh my god, how do you feel?
I am so hungry.
I'll meet you at Nella's in 10 minutes. Click!
Hey, who do I need to blow to get a drink around here?
Nice to see you too, Christian.
She's fat, she's ugly, she's dumb, and she has a really nice tooth-to-gum ratio.
I broke up with her, Christian.
So maybe you're fat and dumb.
Stop. I don't know what's wrong with me.
You know, you've been taking orders from this bitch for 2 years. It's about time you started thinking for yourself. I'm proud of you.
It's the problem, though. I've never had a successful relationship. You know, I've never found my type.
What is your type?
I don't know.
You know what? There is a lot of girls out there in the world who'd like to date a sweet guy like you.
Thank you. You know, Lisa compared you and I to a couple.
You know what? Maybe I know a couple of guys who would like a little Bradley lovin'. Plus, you do spend an awful lot of time thinking about decor.
I appreciate the drinks, but I think I'm gonna have to go.
Call me. Gonna get the football game. Be nice and hetero. I've seen dead things move faster than you do. Boop.
No.
You wanna go play some video games and eat some hot dogs?
How about we go grab some tea?
That sounds pretty gay to me.
Did she stab you?
Yeah, a little bit.